Hi, this friends. Um, it's not a good night tonight. I'm thinking about recently to go to China and help rescue dogs from the Yulin festival. I've received recently some footage and some very awful videos of what's going on down there, and I'm very heartbroken, and I've been crying for the last week because I'm trying to figure out a way to help and a way to save these precious babies and from torture, and how I'm a nobody. I'm just a normal person trying to do something, and I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna go in June in China and see what I can do to help rescue dogs from the meat trade. And I'm completely heartbroken, and I just want to help these babies, and I don't know what to do. So what can we do as a group so we can do something for these voiceless animals that are being slaughtered and tortured and boiled alive and torched, and it's just inconceivable that these people get away with that crap. So if anybody watches this video, like, I'm going to go to China at the end of the month and go to a refuge for dogs and see what I can do to help. But if there's anybody that want to help and give donations and just help to stop this barbaric culture, or whatever they call it. It's not even a culture, it's not even a culture. They just enjoy torture. And just message me, and maybe we can set up something and we can help these defenseless babies. Again, if you want to help, just message me and I will try to figure out how we can provide shelter and I don't even know what to say anymore. It's just, please, if you are interested in help me, please PM me, and hopefully we can help shut down this barbaric thing that's going on in China. Thank you.